Okay, so the last part of this topic is 4.7 recycling. You can recycle many types of materials, including paper, metals and plastics. The materials that make everything we use originally came from the Earth's crust, atmosphere or oceans. So everything you have in your house that's around you, it has come from a natural resource. But these resources will not last forever. Recycling, that means collecting and processing materials that have been used so that the materials can be used again. Examples of recycling include using old paper to make new paper, plastic bottles to make fleeces, and aluminium cans can be made into aluminium sheets, and I'm going to talk through how that can be done in a minute. So we can't just keep using things and throwing them away again, so we need to start thinking about how we can recycle the things that we have finished with so that we don't run out of the resources that we've got on the earth. So just to go through how aluminium is recycled, so you can put a aluminium can in a recycling bin. Now aluminium cans can be sort of food tins, the Coca-Cola tin, that sort of thing. A lorry takes these away to the factory. Machines will shred the cans and remove the decoration, so we've just got the aluminium left. A furnace, which is something that heats something up, melts the aluminium shreds. So it goes into like a liquid, so the liquid then cools and freezes in a mould. So when you've got the liquid, it is then poured into a mould, it then freezes and solidifies into that mould. Once we've got the blocks of pure aluminium, we can then reheat it again to 600 degrees Celsius. It then softens it, and those moulds, so a block of aluminium, can then be rolled out into flat sheets and it can be used again. Advantages and disadvantages of recycling. So advantages are the resources we have will last longer. We use less energy to recycle something than it does to make something completely from new. And it reduces waste and pollution. Some disadvantages of recycling is some people find it a bit of a nuisance to separate their rubbish into different bins, or people don't do it properly, so that then the products can't actually be recycled. And some argue that actually extra lorries are needed to collect the recycling, so they use extra fuel and create more pollution.